So Trend's got a new pocket hole jig on the market. What say we take a shifty? I'll tell you what I think.
Step drill, drive a bit. Oh, they look sweet. Oh, this one's got extraction as well. Ooh.
Okay, so all in all, I do like it. I would recommend it, particularly for tradesmen who are looking to make quick repairs or build things efficiently and be able to move on without having to clamp things up, weight glue wait for glue to dry and all that kind of stuff. To be honest, has always been a plus point for me with the Trend pocket hole jigs. It's the fact that it is all aluminium. I know the blue ones, the plastic ones, are very popular, particularly in the States where they are very readily available. Plastic, metal, longevity for me, there's no comparison there. On site work, it's absolutely brilliant. The fact that I can clamp it to something with the clamp on the bottom, sawhorses, makeshift workbenches, all that sort of stuff, absolutely top notch. Another thing which I didn't really show in the video is the fact that all the adjustments on the new one is done with a single Allen key. On the previous pocket hole jig, I think there were 3 different sizes. Another thing I didn't show was this little plate. What you can also do is remove the guide block and extractor unit from the base, screw this little piece on it, and it gives you a little step, obviously the other way, to then, if you've got mahoosive things that you're doing, then you can take the jig to the work rather than the work to the jig, so that's handy as well. You can also genuinely like it. There's been a lot of upgrades. The downside, obviously, as I showed in the video, is the extract and port thing. Why it's not the size to fit the Trend hoses, I've honestly no idea. But as you saw, it's really easy. And if you haven't got a 3D printer, a bit of PVC pipe, heat it up and expand it over the top, just as good. I know a lot of you don't like pocket holes, and that's fine. That's absolutely fine. If you guys are just anti-pocket hole, that's your thing. Personally, I think they've got their place. Don't use them for everything. I don't discount them either, and that's my kind of mentality that I try to use. If you did like the video, then fantastic, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I think subscribing's up here somewhere. Then you can see kind of similar videos down there somewhere. And if you want to be a patron, support the channel in loads of different ways, get some perks and stuff like that, link will be right down the bottom. Until next time, you take care.